Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add keyframe in CapCut. So let's get started. Here I have created a project in CapCut and we're going to apply keyframe to this video. So the first thing we have to do is we can click on the clip right here, or we can also click on the edit button, and it's the same. And from here I'm just going to click on edit button, and this is the keyframe button. And if you want to add this keyframe, we just need to select the part of the video that we want to add keyframe, and we can click on this keyframe button to add the keyframe to our video. And for example, I'm going to use this keyframe for tracking the video from the left side to the right side. So I'm going to place the keyframe right here. So just tap on the keyframe like this. Okay, and for this first keyframe, I'm going to make this part of the video appear like this. Okay, and for the second keyframe, I'm going to place it right here. So just tap on the keyframe right here. Then I'm going to select this part. Okay, and I'm going to zoom in. Alright, and after that, we just need to look on the result, guys. So just play the video to take a look on the result. Okay, and this is the result. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can add keyframe in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.